Once upon a time, there was a man who lived his life on the floor of a busy train station. His world was just an empty bowl, and his daily job was waiting for the kindness of strangers. For many years, he believed one truth: he was just a beggar. Then, one day, his routine was broken. A very successful businessman paused before him. The beggar quickly held out his bowl, hoping for a big gift. But what came next was not a coin. It was a question. The businessman's words were clear. "Do you always just take from others? Have you ever given anything back?" The beggar stammered, "Sir, I have nothing. I am just a beggar." The businessman offered a final, profound truth. If you have nothing to offer, you have no right to ask. "I believe in exchange." And then he was gone. The words echoed in his mind, a seed planted in his heart. Exchange. What could he, a man of nothing, possibly offer? For 2 days, he sat lost in thought. He saw the world and himself through a new, difficult mirror. He saw what he wasn't doing. Then a bright flash of color caught his eye. Wildflowers bursting with life. A spark ignited. What if he offered beauty instead of just poverty? With trembling hands, he picked a handful, feeling a strange new hope. A small revolution began. He offered a flower with every coin. To his astonishment, people smiled. They took the flowers, some even saying, "Thank you." The money that fell into his bowl felt different. They were no longer donations. They were the currency of a new kind of exchange. The catalyst returned. The businessman, seeing the change, smiled. "You have understood," he said. "Today, you are no longer a beggar. You are a businessman." The words echoed deep within. "I am a businessman," he repeated. "I trade value." 6 months later, the station saw a completely different man. He was dressed well and walking with purpose. He met the businessman, not as a recipient, but as an equal. "I run a successful flower business now," he beamed. "I'm expanding." He shared his ultimate realization. I was never a beggar. I was a businessman all along. I just had to learn to see myself as someone who had something to offer. His story tells us a powerful lesson. Your life is not about what you lack, but about what you believe you can give. Change your mindset and watch your world bloom. Thank you for watching. If this story resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that inspires.